Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone and welcome back to Daily Doodles. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a character from the new Pikmin game that was just announced. It's the 4th Pikmin game and I'm going to show you how to draw Ochi. So Ochi is this new little dog type character and he's just so cute. So let's draw him today. So I'm going to start with the shape of the mouth. So we're going to draw a shape like this. And then we can have a little tongue here sticking out. And then we'll do the bottom of the mouth. Like that. Now let's do some eyes. So I'm going to do one circle and then another one. And inside that, we're going to do another circle and a smaller one right here on the side, and then a circle in the middle, and that middle one is going to be colored in all black. And we're going to do the same over on the other, for the other eye. All right, so next I'm going to give a little bit of space and do an ear. So the ear is kind of like the shape of a peanut. And then we're going to come over this way, top of the head, and then come on down here by the eye, and then come on out a little bit for a bit of a cheek, and then come on in here by the mouth. And then we're gonna come down this way for another little cheek and go right there. Now we can do the other ear. Now let's do a little curve here for a collar, and that's gonna be kind of in behind the ear and then coming out this way on top. Now we can do a foot. So we're gonna do 1, 2, 3 little toes. And we're gonna do a little circle here. And we can put 1, 2, 3 little nails, little claws. And then let's curve on up for the shape of the body. And we can do a spot right here. And we're gonna do a little line here and one right here. And I'm gonna put a little line right here. All right, so that is it for our sketch. And now I'm going to start coloring. All right, so we are finished our drawing. Thank you for drawing with me today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope to see you back here for our next drawing. All right, everyone, goodbye.